Hey everybody, this is Next Exhale. I got this Ontario Model 1. It's like a safety cutter for cutting straps and cutting clothes off of an injured person, maybe. That type of thing. At an Army surplus store is where I got it, and it's got a little knife sharpener part here on it. It's kind of cool, I like it. The only problem is the sheath I got with it, because it was used, the sheath is all busted up. You can see here the PALS webbing has come apart. It's missing the little piece here for the snap, so the snap can't go on. And I would really like to attach this to my Maxpedition pack, but I can't do it because of this. So I tried contacting Ontario through this website, ontarionKnife.com, and I sent them a message through their website. They never responded to me because I was going to try to get a new one. So I thought, well, maybe I can repair it myself. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to try to repair it with pieces off of this grenade pouch I got at the same military surplus store. And actually I'll be scavenging some off of this other grenade pouch as well. So I thought I'd make a video of that and see how it turns out. So the first thing I think I want to do here is mark the position of these PALS webbing, because these are actually too short to use. I actually burned the ends off here because they were the threads were all frayed. If I glued this back down, it would actually be too short to get this in and out easily. So I'm going to just replace these, but I want to replace them in the same place, so I'm going to just mark the position of them so that I can get the new straps in the same place. And guys, I'm just doing this, you know, just kind of off the cuff. I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of going with the flow here and improvising as I go. So next I probably need to cut these off. Might try perhaps the scissors in my Swiss Army knife here. Works pretty good. There's one. There's two. So we've got the old webbing off, but we've got the places marked so we know where to put the new webbing. So my idea here is I'm going to take one off of this one, and I want to keep this stitching intact, so I just want to cut all of this out and glue the whole thing onto here. But if I do that, I won't be able to use this side because I want to keep that stitching intact. I can't split it down the middle, so that's why I'll have to use strap off of another pouch that I have here as well for the second web. While we're at it, guys, we might as well try this thing out. I haven't actually used it yet. I'm just going to see how, whoa, nice. Pretty effective. Goes right through that cordura. No problem. So let's just cut this off. Maybe get a better angle to work on it here. And by the way, this is the blade that was in it when I got it, and it's not fresh. I can tell it's been used. It's kind of rusted. I've got some extra blades and I can replace it. Man, that works good. Nice. All right. Let's see here. Let me get my trusty Swiss Army knife scissors out again. And this Swiss Army knife is actually the Swiss Champ Plus. model if you're interested. Great knife, I love it. It's my EDC blade. Look at that, cuts right through that strap. Of course, if you've used Victorinox Swiss Army knife scissors, you know that these scissors pretty much rock. Alright, so we'll cut this across. I'm gonna have to cut through all this mess too. It might be a little bit much for the Swiss Army knife. Maybe we'll go back to the strap cutter here, see how it works. Alright guys, you know what I need? I need some of those shears like you see in the medical kits. That would go through this like probably like butter. Need to get a pair of those. There we go. Alright. Part 2, there we go. We got our first strap. No problem. Alright guys, let's see. Before we use the lighter on this, let's see if we can cut some more of this off. Some of this excess. Alright, there we go. And maybe we'll just take a lighter to these edges here. We don't want these threads coming loose. It'd be a hassle, man. Probably be good. Maybe a little bit more here. Alright. There we go. Alright, we got one. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one, but I'm not gonna video it since you've already seen me do that one. And then I'll get back with you on the next step. Guys, got the second one done. I'm going to, because of this extra part here on these, and there's an extra part here, I'll set these on here like this to just kind of even them out more. You know what? I probably should take a lighter to this and this. Last thing I need for this is I need the button snap here. So I'll get one of those out. Let's see. Glue it right there. And I'm hoping this will work, guys. Like I say, I'm just kind of making this up as I go. This is not a how-to video. This is just a doing something off the cuff video. My adhesive might not even be strong enough to hold this. I hope it is. So this will go here. Got one strap here, one web here, one webbing here. Alright, I think that's what I need. What I've got here is some liquid fusion clear urethane glue, maximum strength, non-foaming, non-toxic, 100% waterproof, fast drying. So I've got some shoe goo around here. I'd rather use that, but I cannot find it. I don't know what I did with it. I had this stuff. I got it at a craft store. So I think we'll use this since that's all I have. and hope it works. And I'm just gonna poke this hole where this stuff, you gotta, you know, it's like super glue. Every time you use it, you gotta kind of poke that hole open again. And I'm working on wax paper here, guys. That's what this is down here. All right, here we go. Just get a good amount on here. Just kind of glue it on there. We'll put that in place. Man, I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright. We'll get this coyote brown piece of webbing here. Put that on next. And here is the ACU. Get some of this stuff on there. And got plenty of it. Alright. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright, what I'm going to do here, because you really need to let this stuff sit. It says 24 hours, but I'm going to let it sit overnight. I'm going to take this, set it on top like that. Wait a minute, it's not even or something. I need to open it up so it'll lay flat. That's better. Alright, got that. Set something heavy on top of it. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, I hope this works, because I really would like to use this this strap. I want to strap it to my, this sheath, I want to strap it to my Maxpedition pack, gear slinger pack. That way I'll have it ready to use whenever I need to without digging in my pack, if I can actually strap it to the outside. I love this pack, by the way. So we'll let this sit overnight, see how she does in the morning. Alright everybody, this is the next day, and we'll see how it turned out. This strap actually held on there pretty well. The glue took pretty well. The coyote brown one, for whatever reason, didn't stick, and it came off when I started pulling on it to test it. So that didn't work out too well. The button worked out pretty good. The snap, as you can see there. So would I recommend trying to do this with your equipment? I don't know. I think it's something that needs to be experimented with. I definitely would want to try a stronger adhesive next time. I really wanted to do shoe goo. That stuff's pretty pretty strong. I just couldn't find it, and I might try that next time I try to modify some of my equipment. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on my Maxpedition No Attack gear slinger. I think I'll mount it this way. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. You can pick up these pouches, especially grenade pouches, at the military surplus store, Army surplus store, pretty cheap. I think I got all mine for like $2.50 a piece or something. So it's not a big deal to kind of scavenge them for parts. Seems to be on there pretty well. Hopefully it'll hold. Anyway, I'm going to try it out, see how it works. Thanks for watching, guys.